babies. Here we go. Ah, you're brave. You're getting braver. I'll get you some more. Yeah. Let's get you some more. You are just the swans that I wanted to see. Your parents wouldn't eat anything I gave them. They just looked at me like I was stupid. You're muddy though. Ow. That's one of those white beak nails. You are getting so brave. Next we're gonna teach you tricks. Just kidding. You're not dogs. There's nothing left. Hey! That's not nice. I don't want to reward you for that. I don't want to reward you for that. Let's go together. I think you're the dog. Okay, you can have some, because you were nice and patient. You scared? What's up? Come on then.